Hey, welcome to Yogea. I'm Antonia, and we're going to try half moon bound bow pose. Whoa, it sounds like a pretzel, but it's pretty cool. You build on your half moon practice. There is a bind and a deeper opening through the hamstring. Let's try it. Come to the top of the mat. Step your right foot back. Make sure that the front heel lines up with the back arch. Now, heel toe your right foot slightly forward to get into it. Bend your left knee. As you deepen your bend, bring your left hand to the outside edge of your left foot and to the outside edge of the mat. I like to cup the floor with the hand like this. Some people root the heel. When you cup the floor, you have more cushioning in your hand. Now, raise your right leg up. Make sure your hips are even and stacked. And start to reach the leg up as you bring the torso down. Now, at this point, I am going to drop into the heel of my hand. Reach the right arm up. Start to gaze up. Make sure the left shoulder tracks over the wrist. Now bend your right knee, clasp the foot, open the heart, make it a bow pose, and rotate your torso to the sky. Breathe here. You can bring your heel to your buttocks and open, rolling your torso open. Right hand down, right foot down, downward facing dog. And it's time to do it on the other side. A really beautiful pose to explore sequentially. Please do so on our YouTube channel. Subscribe to it, Yogea Yoga. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.